But why do other tribes actually hate the Igbos? I don't know if I'm using the right word if I say hate the Igbos. Because there are no logical reasons to why this happened. But when you talk to them, there are a lot of things they throw up, like 1966 Coup. Do you know, let me shock you. Do you know that the leader of that coup is not even from the current day southeast? It's from the people of Anioma, which is in current Delta State. The Anioma people are loved by these people who hate the Igbos. So if it was about 1966 coup, this is one of the things that nobody even talked about. Nziogu is not from any of these 5 core southeast states. It's from the Anioma people in Delta State. And majority of the Anioma people don't even believe they're Igbos now. But this particular event, as far as Nigeria exists,